Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great recovery day, and today we're talking about a recovery shoe by a company called Kane. Now, I had not heard about Kane just a few weeks ago when somebody at the gym who was wearing a different color combination shared with me how much he liked them, because I was really curious. I'm like, what are those shoes? He said they're Kanes. And so started doing research on these, and I saw a lot of people that are in CrossFit and working out and athletes not only working out, running in them, and also wearing them as a recovery shoe. So I went ahead, initially ordered a larger size, different color, and since I changed them out, I ended up going with this color, which I think is pretty sharp. And by the way, if you would click on my referral link, by the way, that helps the channel, you will see there's a lot of colored combinations, and some are sold out. So you definitely want to take advantage if you see a color you like to get them, because they will sell out very fast. And I thought these, again, would look sharp for here the summertime. These are great for men and women and kids, so definitely will work for all. And they definitely have a great purpose for these shoes. They are also sustainable, if that's something of interest to you, based on the material that they're made. They're made of a sugar cane. How cool is that? They're made in Brazil, and I really love the shoes, as I've been wearing them all week here at home at my stand-up desk, stand up all day, and so I really got to put these to the test, because these are definitely a firmer sole than what I've been used to with the OOFOS shoes, which is the other recovery brand that I've been using. But as I've gotten to wear them more and more, I'm beginning to love them even more So again, I'll put the link where you could check it out. Now, included with the shoe, you'll get these strings, as you could see, and then these look like little donuts for these strings that comes in the satchel. And what that's for is for the back. You could see they already came with this little string on the back, and these are great for hanging and drying. They're not for pulling, so you definitely don't want to do that, but they are great for that, and it kind of gives it a cool look. And you could see it looks like I got a nice thick sole, and you could see the tread there on the bottom. And so, so far I've been very much impressed with the shoes, and I'll talk about some of the technology here in a minute. I love the box, by the way, if you're just curious. It does have this insert in there. It says Kane Active Recovery Design. Breathes, stimulates, supports, rebounds, cushions, and grips. So there you go. These shoes are made with Brazilian sugarcane and come back better, it says. So very cool there. Now let's just talk about the shoes for some of the specs if you're interested. Obviously, when you go to the website, you'll be able to check it out. Oh, and one of the things which is cool, talking about sustainability, is, you know, with shoes, once you wear them out, you generally would recycle them. Well, this company, what you can do is send these in. They'll give you a $10 credit. And what they do is they have a project called Project Renew, and what they're going to do is recycle this into like a yoga mat. It's really cool, and you'll get that information there. They've got these yoga mats as well. So they're doing some great things, and so over time I'm going to wear these out, and I'll just send them in, get a $10 credit, and apply them towards a new pair. So how cool is that? Now, as far as the shoe, this is a 10mm heel raise. So for me, that works well. And it looks like it's got a good base and width as far as the base of the shoe, the sole. So for people that are going to work out or lift weights with them, you know, you'll have stability and standing on your feet. So that is something to think about. As far as the inside, there's no insole that comes out. It's all attached to the shoe. And there is also arch support, which I feel a little bit of arch support. There are also these nodes in the inside of these shoes, and that actually helps stimulate the foot, and that goes across the whole footbed. And so that is something that I really like and feels good. They are breathable, they are washable, and they are durable. So nicely done there. It does mention, by the way, on those nodes, it's raised footbed nodes, activates blood flow in key pressure points. As far as the cushioning, it's a dual density construction for generous cushioning and active support. And so that highlights the shoe. So as far as sizing, I ended up having to go with a size 11. I am normally an 11 and a half. The 12s were too big. I had too much room in the back. My feet were really slipping. And so I swapped them out, and the 11s fit much better. I still have a little bit of room in the shoe, but it works out well. Now I'm normally a 2E, so my foot is wider and got plenty of room in the toe box area, so that works out well. If you got a wider foot, I think you'll be okay. So if you're a half a size, I'd probably go down a size, and if it doesn't work out for you, then you could swap them out, but that's just my experience going down a half a size. Now, as far as the shoe as well, they do have some flex to it, as you can see, but it also feels like the shoe's got stability where it's not too flexible. So that's why I think people can feel comfortable working out in them, maybe with weights or even running with them. It's got a nice wide base, so it's gonna give the platform good stability. As I mentioned, these are a little bit more firm. As you can see, I'm pushing in, so there is a little bit of give, but not too much. So you're definitely gonna feel like you're getting the support there. These are very comfortable on my feet. I really am enjoying them. Some other shoes have a little bit more cushioning to them, but with these nodes, it feels great, and they are definitely breathable. I don't feel like my feet are getting hot in them wearing all day. So I do highly recommend them, again, for men, for women, and for kids, and a great color selection to choose from. So do definitely check them out. If you are wearing them, please feel free to leave any comments. Would love to hear what others have to say about them, other than myself, so people that might come across the video can hear from other users. And if you have any questions and you're not wearing them yet, but want to know, let me know, and I'll try and answer those for you. So thanks so much for watching this video. Appreciate it. And again, please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much. We'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.